All right, it's time to get into our core as part of our Pilates head to toe challenge. You can lay down on your back. So when I say core, I mean your abs, your obliques, your low abs, your rectus, abdominis, and then also into your hips and into your back. So we're gonna get all of it. We're gonna start with your feet flat, arms up towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale, roll up. We're going right up into a crunch. Your tailbone is down. And then inhale to come back down. Hands can come behind your head if you prefer. Okay, but this is Pilates inspired, which means we're getting right up into some work into hundreds here. Okay, on this next one, roll up. Stay here. So your options are to stay right here, okay? Otherwise, bring the legs up to tabletop. Reach them out, pump your arms. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. So you can keep your legs down or even keep your head down and just do the breathing in the arms. Last set, we're only doing 50. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees in, roll down, hug in. We're gonna bring our feet down flat. Hands come behind your head. Thumbs again at the base of your skull. Inhale. Exhale, tuck your chin, roll up. Now, if you've done the Pilates head to toe challenge in order and then roll back down, you've done the neck video first where we went over how to do a crunch safely for your neck. So use those tips and principles here. Exhale, come up, stay here. Inhale, rotate to your left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. And center. Try to keep tailbone down. Try to keep your hips down. Keep your knees nice and steady. Basically, we're just trying to twist from that upper spine. One more. Lower back down. Nice job. If you prefer that, you're going to stay there. Otherwise, I'm going to take you through a progression of it. Hug your knees in. Reach the right leg up. The left leg is going to reach out and hover. Roll yourself up. Okay, are you ready? We're going to switch legs. Switch. So remember, take and leave any pieces that work or don't work for you. Come down out of the crunch right here and just work on the legs. Okay, one more progression of this. I'm combining this with our twisting we just did. So I'm going to take my hands back. I'm going to twist to my right, center, left as I switch legs. 4, 3, 2, 1, and come in. Nice job. You're going to roll onto your left side. All right, so we're gonna be on our elbow underneath your shoulder, and knees are together and bent, and your feet are back. We're going into a side plank. So from here, you're gonna lift your hips up and back down. So really getting into that side waist, but also this is a really important exercise for back strength and back stability. And your hips. It's one of my favorite overall exercises, actually, from a physical therapy standpoint, when I'm building people back up strength-wise, especially in the back and the core. Okay, one more. Lift and hold. Hand behind your head. Lift the top leg up, down, down. Remember, it's optional. And 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Come up and just stretch that out because it feels good. And then we'll do the other side. So down onto our right sides. Elbow. Knees are bent and stacked. And I have a straight line from my head to my chest, thighs to knee. And you can lift up. So you can go ahead and start with your hand behind your head, or if it helps to have it down at your waist. Your choice here as you're getting situated. And make sure that that elbow is right under your shoulder. It will help. Don't have it way out here. That's making life way too hard. Nice job. Lift, hold it. Hand behind your head, top leg for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Press yourself up and over. And you're gonna lay down on your stomach. So we're gonna have arms out. Legs are mat distance apart. Think about lifting that belly button and even the pelvic floor so you're nice and just secure and aware in the low back. You're gonna lift your head, chest, arms, and legs, and we're gonna swim. So we're alternating arms and legs. Inhale and exhale. One more set. Nice job. Rest everything back down. Hands underneath your shoulders. Press yourself up into your stretch here. Look over your right shoulder and over your left shoulder and back to center. And take your time pushing yourself back into a stretch. Just stay there a moment and restack to come all the way back up. And we're gonna bring our legs around in front, legs together. You're gonna sit up nice and tall, arms in front. Inhale. Exhale, curl, roll yourself down one vertebrae at a time. We are gonna come back up. So if you have a hard time coming back up, go grab a towel, roll it up lengthwise and put it across your mat right at the space in your low back. So when you roll up, you're pressing down against that towel. It will help a lot. And I even have a tutorial video all about doing that. So go find that if you have a hard time with the roll-ups here. Okay, curl. Roll down, roll down, roll down, roll down. Good job. Arms reach back. Inhale, exhale. Dive yourself back up. Over. Roll down halfway. Stay here. Shoulders are down. Neck is relaxed. Let's start to put all the pieces together here, right? Lift the right leg up. Down, left leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and exhale. Back up. Over. Restack. You're going to pull your legs in. Make sure you have space behind you because we're going to roll back. Pull your legs in. Find a balance position. This is rolling like a ball. I want you to think about being a ball. Curl everything in. Your fingertips are gentle on your shins. Inhale back just to shoulder blades. Exhale up. Pause. Inhale back. Exhale. Pause. So your body is a brake at the top. You're trying to stop yourself from losing balance. Stop yourself from going too far. One more. This is core work you wouldn't think is too much core work, but it is. Now from here, optional. Grab your calves or your legs and straighten. And 3, 2, 1. Bend, stretch everything forward. Nice job. Nice job, especially hundreds all the way at the beginning to rolling like a ball at the end. There was no break there, I know. Roll yourself up. And great job. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.